Friends, in this video I will explain you how we can remove the hyperlink from the Excel sheet. To remove a single hyperlink, we just have to click the cell, and then and thereafter once we right click we can remove the hyperlink. This is not the big deal. We can very easily remove it. I undo it. My question is, how can we remove all the hyperlinks which are available in this Excel sheet? So in this Excel sheet right now we have 4 hyperlinks. Hyperlink means URL. Once we write the URL in, suppose I am writing http www.google.com. So it is the URL. Once we press enter, we get the URL, and here is the hand icon that represents that this text in the cell is hyperlink. So to remove the hyperlink from the Excel sheet, we have one option. We go in a cell, right click and remove this, again go in this cell and right click and remove it. So it will take a lot of time. Just imagine you want to remove all the hyperlinks in one go. Then how can we do it? For this we have to just follow a very simple trick that I am going to tell you. Just write a number in any other cell and copy this number. So I am going to the home tab and copy it. Now the cell is copied. Now what I have to do, I have to select all the cells where the hyperlinks are. So just I have to press the control button and hold down it, and then select each cell where the hyperlink is. So now I have selected all the cells where the hyperlinks are. Now what I have to do, I have to multiply this number with this number. So we follow a paste special technique. In paste special technique, we go here and click the paste special, and we follow the multiply operation. So what will happen, this number will get multiplied with all the cells where the hyperlinks are. So there will be coercion behind the scene, and all these hyperlinks will be converted into simple text, not the hyperlinks. So that is the very simple idea or the trick we can say. Now you see hyperlinks are gone. If you put the cursor here, the hand icon is not appearing. It means the hyperlinks are gone. So this is the very simple way to remove all the hyperlinks from the Excel sheet in one go. I can do the same thing in Word file also, but the shortcut is different. I just undo it. Now I have all the hyperlinks here. I open the Word file and paste all the hyperlinks in the Word file. I paste all the hyperlinks in the Word file. Now the question is how to remove hyperlinks from this Word file. So just we have one option, Ctrl+A will select all the text in the Word file. Now what I have to do, I have to remove the hyperlink from the Word file. So just we have to click Ctrl, Shift and F9 function key. So all the hyperlinks will be gone. So very simple, a very simple trick is Ctrl plus Shift plus F9 in one go. So all the hyperlinks will be removed once we press this shortcut after selecting the hyperlinks. So this is for the Word, and this one technique is for Excel. There is also another technique in to remove the hyperlink. We can use the macro in the Word or in the Excel, and then we can remove the hyperlink. I will show this in another one video. Right now this much is for today. Thank you for watching this video.